Today we talk about how can you enable email notifications on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down here, you click on more down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down, you click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you come here to email notifications, just click here in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean email notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do, that's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.